as you might know, I have a YouTube channel, and my YouTube channel name is Marcela's Way. So I wanted to come up with merch for the channel that celebrates the coming of 1,000 subscribers and also 1 year of having my channel. So MW Clothing Edition 1 came to be. The design is actually a very colorful yet kind of graffiti style design. It has MW clothing on it, and it has a lot of different colors in it, and these colors represent the different facets that I had to put in to come up with my channel as a whole. I had to really do a lot of different stuff until I really understood what the concept of my channel was, what direction that worked for me, which ones didn't. I did all kinds of stuff on my channel. I have done shopping hauls, I have done tutorials on different machinery, silhouette, I've done unboxings. I really worked hard to try to stay in the t-shirt area. You get what I'm saying? That was the base of what I tried to stay true to. So it was only right that I came out with the design that spoke to all of the different areas, yet it still is street graffiti like, hip hop ish, just like Marcela's Way. This will not be the only design. Actually, this is the first of many designs. I have decided that after every 1,000 subscribers, I will be dropping a new line of merch, okay? So there will be a different design after every milestone that I hit. So that would definitely be something to look forward to for my subscribers, for my supporters, that you will get a new design, a new line every 1,000 subscribers. So right now we are coming up on 1,000. So we have edition 1. So in order for you to get this merch, you will have to go to www.minitingzcustoms.com, which will be right here on the screen, and you will be able to purchase merch there. It's a very easy process. It will get shipped right to your house. You know, just an easy process. You just click, pay, and receive at your door. It actually comes in men's sizes, and it also comes in women's sizes. The women is a more V-neck cut. It's the men is more of a crew neck like this one that I have on. The women is a little more slimmer fit. The design is very versatile. You can wear it with tennis shoes, boots. You can even wear it with heels. It is a very versatile design. The colors make it so you can wear it with any color tennis shoe and it will work for you. I'd like to thank everyone that has subscribed. I would really like to thank my models that helped me through my shoot. They did such an amazing job. I'm so grateful to be able to have such beautiful models that live in my household. So thank you to them. I am so grateful to be coming up on 1,000 subscribers. Like, I am so excited about that, and I'm looking forward to so many more. I mean, if we get those numbers up, we'll be having merch flying out this door with smoke attached to it, okay? So thank you guys for all of your support, and make sure that you cop that merch and stay tuned for more merch, more videos, more Marcela's Way.